Hi, I'm Paul Zammit, and I'm here with Emma Biggs celebrating, this is your second book, correct,
Second
Emma?
book, yeah.
Well, first off, congratulations. It's a
Yeah, thank
fantastic
you.
book. I haven't fully read it yet, but lots of amazing ideas and suggestions. Emma, how long did it take you to write this book?
About 2 years, I think, by the time we wrote it, and then we did the editing and the back and forth, and then, of course, the photos. We had some pretty interesting photo shoots.
And there's dynamic, amazing photos in here, and all sorts. These are your brothers as well?
Yep, my brothers are in there, and a few other kids, too.
So it's really a family project.
Yeah, for sure.
Fantastic. And to this whole time, you got all your schoolwork done?
Yep, schoolwork's done.
Oh, very good, very good. Now, Emma, you talk about a lot of different plants in here, and I'm going to ask you one question that I find very difficult. Do you have favorite vegetables?
I have so many favorite vegetables. Of course, if you know me, you know that I love tomatoes. I could go on and on and on about tomatoes. I also love beans, and my favorite bean by far is dragon's tongue. And dragon's tongue is a flat potted yellow bean with purple stripes on it, and I just love it.
Do you like to eat that one fresh or cooked?
I like it fresh. Just most of the time doesn't even get into the house.
That's me with peas. Why grow peas?